baller. Okay, I'm so laggy. Today, we're gonna open a present that I got from Wheat. Will we get lucky this time? I keep failing, failing, failing. So this time, I will at least get something lucky. At least give me, Party Panda. Please. Please, oh yes, guys, I will get stuff. I'll be right back. I will get auto clicker so that I could be more lucky. Okay, BRB. Oh yeah, I forgot to say is I'm going to meet Pete. Hi Pete. Please give me luck, please. I never hatched a huge. I mean, once I did on camera, first try. Please Pete, at least once. Please, it will make me die. 3, 2, 1. Here I go. What? Where did it go? I'm in my inventory, I guess. I will rejoin. I will rejoin. Finally, something's not. Duh. What's it called again? What's it called? Party Oxalato. Something's not Party Oxalato. If I got Party Tiger. That's it for the video. Bye, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Bye. Make sure to comment a user, guys. You might win a free exclusive Sapphire Cat. So yeah, bye.